Hi, welcome to Glow's Kinder Kitchen, and I'm Glow. Well, today I wanted to share a recipe with you guys for a salad that both Richard and I really do enjoy. And it's light and it is delicious and it's unusual. So let's just go ahead and get started. This is very easy to put together. It's called broccoli pear salad. And this one, I'm doing a couple of different ways actually with these ingredients, but today I'm using a very light vinaigrette that's homemade to go with this, and it is just delicious. So it calls for broccoli, and I just cut it up real small like this, bite size. And then it calls for a pear. I usually get the red pears. This is one of those that's an au jus pear and Bartlett au jus, and it's delicious. And when you get that, I wanted to share too, they're usually fairly hard when you first purchase them. So I usually let it set on the counter to a few days so that it softens up. And you don't have to peel this. I put in some parsley and I just cut it up in bite-sized pieces just like that. And then I also put in cranberries. Sometimes I put nuts in, but tonight I'm not going to do that. And sometimes I put cheese in. Blue cheese is delicious in this. But with the dish that we're preparing tonight, I just didn't think that the blue cheese would go real well with it. So we're going to leave it out. So, and then my ingredients for the dressing are extra virgin olive oil, white balsamic vinegar, and also the plain balsamic vinegar is very good in this as well, and honey, and then salt and pepper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut down through this pear. I'm only going to use half of this pear. So pears are very easy to cut up. They have just a very small core. More of the core looks like it's on that side, but even with that being said, there's not much of a core at all, so you don't have much waste at all. And then here, let me move this over so you guys can see, I'm sorry. I cut slices like this, and then I just dice it up small, just like that, bite-sized pieces. So let's go ahead and do this one. So I'll be right back after I finish cutting this up, and then we're going to go on to the next part.
Sounds good, Miss Glow.
Well, I went ahead and cut up the pear, and as you can see, it's just in bite-sized pieces. Now I'm going to put some parsley in, and the parsley is in small pieces as well. If you've never put fresh parsley in salad, by all means, give it a try. It is delicious, and it's very good for you. Also some dried cranberries. This goes really well with this salad as well. I think that might be enough. So what I do to make my dressing, I'm one that tries to keep it as simple as possible. So the outer perimeter of my salad, and this is just a small salad for the two of us, I take my olive oil and I start around and just lightly drizzle all the way around and do that 3 times. 2, 3. That's all you need. Now for the vinegar, and this is the white balsamic vinegar, I'm going to go in about halfway, and I'm going to start around twice. 1, 2. And we can add to this if we want, but you always are usually going to do less vinegar than the olive oil. Now the honey, what I do is I take the honey and I put it right in the center of the salad. So, and 1, and that's all you need. Some pepper. And a little salt. And that's it. And then you take it and you just mix it up. And I usually do my salads up like this a little bit before we're going to eat. That way the vegetables and everything marinate together. And this is one of those salad dressings that's one of my go-tos for almost any kind of a tossed salad. Doesn't have hardly any calories in it, and it's healthy.
It tastes good.
Oh, it's delicious. And when I tell people what it is, they're shocked because they're expecting me to say there's a lot more to it, and there's not. But anyway, that's all there is to this salad. So I'm going to let this marinate for about 5-10 minutes, and I'll be back and we're going to sample this together. Hi, well now it's, guess what you guys, it's time for the taste test. Before I taste this though, I need to share with you, I forgot to put the red onion in it. I always dice up about a shy quarter of a cup of diced red onion. And so I did put that in right after. I had it set to the side and just forgot. So anyway, now it's time to sample. That dressing smells so good.
It does.
This is so good, you guys, and it's so healthy. You gotta try it. It's amazing how that pear and that broccoli pair so well together. Not a play on words there, but and then with the cranberries and that red onion, it's a double thumbs up. This is an excellent salad. Let me know if you try it and what you think. And I'd like to thank you for watching. And if you learned something from this, please let me know. That's what I'm here for, is to help everybody. And again, thank you for watching. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do. We'll talk to you later. Bye.